we are going to look at how you multiply large numbers. Okay, so let's start with the very simple ones. We're going to do 34 times 2. So you always put the double digit or the bigger digit number above if you have a single digit here. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to multiply the 2 in the ones place by everything. Okay, so you're going to multiply the 2 first by the 4. So 4 times 2, or 2 times 4 is 8. Make sure you line up your numbers, otherwise you're going to get into some complications later. And now I'm going to multiply by 2 by the other number, the 3, the number in the tens place, or the 30. So we're going to do 2 times 3 is 6. So the answer is 68. 34 times 2 is 68. Okay, so in this one, we're going to do the same thing, except we're going to run into some problems here because you're going to have to carry. So we're going to do the 8 by the 5, 8 times 5 first. And 8 times 5 is 40. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the 4 up here first, 4, 0. So there we have 40. Always put the 4 on the next row across. In this sense, we're putting the 40 with the 6, which is a 60, right? So what we're doing is we're actually adding 40 plus 60. But for now, because it's easier, we're going to do 4. We're going to do 8 times 6. 8 times 6 is 48. And then we're going to do 48 plus 4. We always add the number that you've carried over. So 8 times 6 is 48. 48 plus 4 is 52. And make sure that you've really lined up your numbers. Now, because 52 is the final answer and you don't have any more numbers to multiply by, you just put the 52 at the bottom. So the answer is 65 times 8 is 520. Okay, now let's say that you are multiplying a number by the hundreds. Well, it's exactly the same steps, except you have more steps. But it's the same concept. So we have a 6. We're multiplying it by the 4. So I always write the 2 first, 24. 6 times 4 is 24. Now I'm going to do the 6 by the 3. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. So this time I'm going to carry my 2 to the hundreds column. 20. And I'm putting my 0 there. So 6 times 3 is 18 plus 2 is 20. And then my last step is 6 times 1, but I'm going to add the 2 to 6 times 1. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 2 is 8. And because I'm done here, that's my last step. So my answer is 804. 134, 6 times is 804. And now you're ready to do the thousands, because it doesn't matter how many numbers you have in that top number, you just have more steps, but you still know how to do it. It's the same procedure. So 4 times 5 is 20. So I put my 2 in the next column and my 0 down here. 4 times 7 is 28. 28 plus 2 is 30. So my 3 goes in the next column. And I'm writing 30 for 30. And now I'm going to do 4 times 6 is 24. Don't forget to add the 3. 4 times 6 is 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. So I write my 2 in the next column now. It's in the thousands column. And my last step is 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 2 is 14. And because I'm done, there are no more steps. I just write the final answer here. The answer is 3,675 times 4 is 14,700.